Hello, boys and girls. I will be reviewing the homework for Tuesday. What you would do for this part is writing whole numbers. Write the following number in standard form for number 1. So this number says 89,760. 89,760. So you would just write that number on this line right here. So this is word form, and you're just writing it in standard form, which is just a regular number, the digits. So 89,760. So it's going to be 5 numbers in all. Number 2 says write the following number in expanded form. So you're going to write this number 52,342 in expanded form. And remember, expanded form, all you're doing is telling what the value of each number is. So what's the value of the 5? Right there here. Plus the value of the 2. Plus the value of the 3. Plus the value of the 4. Plus the value of the 2. Number 3 says write the following number in expanded form. So you're doing the same thing on this one that we just did on this one. Write it in expanded form. Number 4, write the following number in standard form. So we're back to standard, where you're just writing the regular digits, a regular number with digits. So 50,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 9. You'll write that as a regular number. So that's going to have 4 digits in all for this number. 5 digits in all, sorry. 50,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 9. The next one, number 5. Write the following number in standard form. So this number is just going to be written in standard form as a number. Same thing we just did here. And this time is going to be 6 digits that you're going to need in all. Number 6, circle the number with a digit in the thousands place that is more than 8. So you're going to look at these numbers. Which one of these numbers has a digit in the thousands place that's more than 8? So you're going to look in the thousands place here, thousands place here, thousands place here, thousands place here. Which one of these digits in the thousands place is more than 8? So circle the number with the digit in the thousands place that's more than 8. Number 7, write a number with a digit in the hundreds place that is less than 3 and a digit in the 10,000s place that is greater than 5. So you're writing your own number here. So you need a digit in the hundreds place that's less than 3. So if I wanted to do that, I'm just going to make up my own number. You can't use the same one I used though. So I would know that I would have to have a digit in the hundreds place that's less than 3. So I know I could use 4. I'm sorry, I could use 2 because 2 is less than 3. And I have to have a digit in the 10,000s place that is greater than 5. So 10,000s place would need to be greater than 5. So I could have a 6 because it's greater than 5. So the 6 needs to be in the 10,000s place. So I need a number in front of that. And so I'm making up my number. Let's see. It says hundreds place that's less than 3. So if I look at my hundreds place, I have a 2, so that's less than 3. And a digit in the 10,000s place that's greater than 5. If I look at my 10,000s place, I don't have a number that's greater than 5, so I need to switch this 1 with this 6. I could put the 1 right there. So now my number in the 10,000s place is a 6, and a 6 is greater than 5. So all your other digits, it does not matter what number you have there. So my number is 61 1,228. So you have to make up your own number. All you need to do is make sure that the digit in the hundreds place is less than 3. So it could be a 1 or 2 or 0. And the digit in the 10,000s place needs to be greater than 5. So it could be a 6, a 7, an 8, or a 9. So you make up your own number, like a mystery number. And number 8, write a number with a digit in the 100,000s place that is greater than 7, and a digit in the tens place that is less than 5. So if I did that, I could make up a number. Oops. So if I want to say, I'm just going to put some random numbers first. 100,000s place, so I know I have to have a 100,000s number. Okay, so 100,000s place needs to have a digit that's greater than 7. So this is my 100,000s place, so I'll pick a 9 because it's bigger than 7. And a digit in the tens place that's less than 5. So my digit in the tens place needs to be less than 5, so I'll pick a 1. So they don't give us any more particular things that we need to worry about. So my number is 986,310. So you need to come up with your own number that has a digit in the 100,000s place that is greater than 7, and a digit in the tens place that is less than 5. So that's your homework for tonight.